If you're looking for a quick and effective way to use QR codes for fundraising campaigns in Unicode, this video is exactly what you need. By the end, you'll know how to set it up, make it work for donations, and whether Unicode is the right choice, or if there's a better alternative with a longer free trial and more fundraising-friendly features. Let's get into it. First, Unicode lets you generate dynamic QR codes that can be linked to donation pages, event registrations, or sponsor details. This means you can print them on posters, flyers, or even display them digitally at events. But here's where you need to be careful. Unicode's free plan is quite limited. You don't get full analytics or customization options unless you upgrade, which can get pricey compared to other platforms. Next, setting up a donation QR code in Unicode is simple. Log in, create a new QR code, and choose the destination. This could be a PayPal donation page, a crowdfunding campaign, or a custom website. You can tweak the design, add a logo, and even change the call to action text. But one thing to note, while Unicode does allow branded QR codes, some of the best design features are locked behind higher tier plans. If you want fully custom QR codes with no branding restrictions, some alternatives do this better for fundraising. Another thing to keep in mind is tracking donations. Unicode does offer basic analytics, showing how many scans your QR code gets and from where. But if you need more detailed donor insights, like who scanned it, when, and whether they actually completed a donation, you might find Unicode's tracking a bit basic. Some other platforms provide deeper analytics with integrations for email follow-ups and remarketing, which can be a game changer for long-term fundraising efforts. Also, if you plan to share your QR codes online, Unicode allows you to create short links that direct to your fundraising page. This is useful for social media posts and emails, but one downside is that Unicode doesn't specialize in fundraising-specific features like automated thank you messages or recurring donation options. That's something to consider if your campaign relies on donor engagement. Now, is Unicode the best option for fundraising campaigns? It depends. If you just need basic QR codes for one-time use, it's a solid choice. But if you want better donor tracking, full branding control, and built-in fundraising tools, some alternatives give you more flexibility, especially with longer free trials and no restrictions on customization. To make it easier for you, we've linked the best option below with an exclusive extended free trial. You'll get access to premium features for a longer period, and we've also included some top fundraising-specific alternatives that might fit your needs even better. Check out the links, grab the best deal, and start maximizing your fundraising efforts today.